Student Center.
It's the student center.
Is it MontgomeryKone buttons?
Probably.
Yeah,
No,
it's got contacts.
those are like the older micro switch.
Wyoming had
Versions.
one of those. Had the contact non-micro switch. Like that one I have.
Definitely MontgomeryKone.
No ceiling? Oh, no regular ceiling.
The drop ceiling tiles are missing. Oh my!
Indicator this up too?
Yeah. It's just rope. You know, for an engineering school, you'd think this place would keep their elevators in better shape.
Yeah, you would imagine. Should we write it back down too, or just take it one way?
Let's do down, up, down, or up, down, up. So and we'll end on the second floor because there's more up here. It looks like. I like how it takes like significantly longer to level than it does to actually like travel. The button gets stuck. Okay. Is it a pop? It's a MontgomeryKone pop out.
MontgomeryKone. Hopefully it doesn't stay stuck, because otherwise,
Also, this is screwy. This is a weird layout of door open and door close.
yeah. Let's take it back up afterwards.
Yeah. Let's be quiet and hear the motor this time.
Yep. Well, if you noticed, I don't know if you saw it or not, but when I first went to,
Yeah, I know. I was about to do that.
See if I can get that fixture.
Look how the drop ceiling.
I like how we're still recording the indicator, even though
I
it's not
know,
here.
right? Look how the drop ceiling like latches into the vents, and look how it's like cockeyed.
Huh.
Like it's lower on that end than it is here. Quite a nice elevator they got here.
You know, I expected.
Oh look,
their
the emergency light's gone too. That's funny.
I expected their elevators to be a little nicer.
Oh, they got a Starbucks here. Anyway. Oh, an old spectral. Wait, that's weird. Look at this thing. That's it.